It's that time of year, Tony. The Comedy Wildlife Awards has just announced their finalists. And do you know what that is?
No.
People submit funny wildlife pictures and then they vote on them. We can do a People's Choice vote and they choose a winner. So they have the finalists out and then they'll choose a winner October 22nd, I believe. But I wanted to show you the pictures because they're really funny and cute. And also, I chose what I think the winner will be because it's my favorite. We'll see if you agree with me.
Okay.
Okay. This is the first photo.
This episode is brought to you by Kozlowski Orthodontics. Share your smile.
Yeah, it definitely has the most American smile of any fish I've ever seen. He looks like a tour guide.
Is this real?
Yeah.
It's not like they didn't just Photoshop some old man's dentures in there.
No, some fish are like this. Some fish, they have like good dental hygiene.
Yeah.
This photo is by Asif Sareth, and that's exactly how I feel when I walk into a store that offers commission.
That's you at the Best Buy.
Yeah, he's like, oh, can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? That's so cute and intense and kind of scary.
They're so. I wonder if you could turn 360 if he's just surrounded, because then it becomes much scarier. Actually,
Then it's like a horror film. It's not funny at all. Are you safe? This one's really sweet. I feel like the little mouse or mole or whatever is negotiating. He's like, I taste terrible, man. Just like move on to the next thing.
I feel like I'm the mouse and the fox is 2020.
Yeah, exactly. Like, there's no hope for you, mouse. Stop trying to negotiate. Bernhard Esther submitted this photo. It looks like they're telling a little secret.
It's really cute. Yeah. I mean, actually, he probably has a painful thorn in his paw, and we're just anthropomorphizing them because we've watched too many Disney films. But yeah, it's cute.
Please stop ruining this experience.
I've never won one of those caption contests.
No. Look, Bridget El-Khalay, Morocco. Great shot of a giraffe photobombing another giraffe. Look at their lashes, though. Like, I'm honestly jealous of that situation.
I like that he just comes in horizontal. You think his legs are sticking out straight like that too?
With a neck like that, there's a lot of possibilities. Yeah, there's like a lot of good photobombing potential. And Tony, when two trees love each other very much, they give birth to a raccoon. Charlie Davidson, great name and great photo. This one really made me laugh. Is he okay? I wish Charlie would do a follow-up, like, is he okay?
I don't, yeah.
Christina Hoffelder.
At first I just thought it was beautiful.
Wow, what a beautiful serene sunset. And then the one penguin ruining it, he's like, rah.
It could be worse. For me, those birds are, they're taken so many times in photos. They'll just look right at me, turn around, and just right at me.
Really? So you feel like this is the better option?
Yeah.
It looks like they're doing the walk of shame, and this one had a rough night.
Yeah, I think they're all bar hopping, and there's that one who just can't keep up pace with his friends.
Yeah.
Because they've lived in Boston for longer. And
it's like, eat some bread first, penguin. This little guy, he looks like he's filing his nails or sharpening his knife. Look at his little hair.
That is exactly what my hair looks like in the morning. Not as dark, but...
No, yeah. Not the color, but like... Mm-hmm. Oh, Eric Fisher.
Hi.
He looks like he's like, hey there, welcome to the neighborhood. If there's anything I can help you with.
Realistically, it's more like, Mom, I'm going to kill you if you don't get out of here right now.
Like, please stop bringing me back into reality. This is a form of escapism for me, and he's my waving neighbor.
No, it makes me, at first I was like, oh, I'm very happy to see that. And then there was an animal part of me that's like, run, Tony.
This is like when you're at the grocery store and you see someone you know. So you're like, whoa, this can of peas looks good.
Yeah, he's doing the Bugs Bunny running from Elmer Fudd.
Yeah, this is by Issa Ringbaum. I like how she got the reflection in there too. It's like, this is a beautiful hiding bear. You're very lucky he's hiding. Yay! He's so cute.
Yeah, Europe is so lucky that they got the good-looking squirrels. We have the like ugly gray squirrels.
What? Our squirrels are beautiful.
Not like, no, look at this guy. He's smiling. At least, that's my human projection of his facial expression. Oh my God, he's cute.
Gail Bisson Now this is what your hair looks like in the morning. I can confirm. I made you look in your frontward facing camera this morning.
You made me take a picture of myself. My hair's really bad in the morning.
No, don't say that. I love it.
Aw,
Oh, he's
mistakes were made.
ashamed. Polar Jacques.
He ate too much seal.
Yeah. It's like I should have just
Why
stopped
did I
at
eat the whole
one.
whale?
That's really cute. But Tony, he's not really ashamed. This is an animal.
Why are you ruining it, Chelsea?
This is so cute. Jagdeep Rajaput. Really beautiful picture. Really adorable.
Yeah, that's super cute.
I really like elephants. I just feel like they're like kind, you know?
They totally, really do have feelings. And yeah, they're affectionate with each other. And look at them doing that. That's just a great moment.
It's sweet.
Aw.
Jagdeep Rajaput. This is a beautiful tiger picture. He really does look like he's face palming though, like someone just said something shamefully stupid.
I gotta say, as a wildlife photographer for more than 20 years, like these are talented photographers.
Yeah.
Because you don't just happen to get that funny moment. Like you have to be there for so many thousands of hours before something amazing like that happens, and then you snap the photo and also get all the technical aspects of it right.
Yeah.
Like it takes so much patience to get these amazing shots.
Well, you know how many technically correct wildlife photos I've taken, but there's no personality in the picture?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like the action, the personality, these feelings that we feel that makes it interesting.
And these are the shots you could actually still make money from.
Yeah.
These are amazing.
Okay, Jill Neff took this picture of this raccoon. Like, how did he get into this predicament? I do not know, actually.
Yeah, this is definitely a poster that should say hang in there.
Yeah, he's like unperturbed too. He's like, I always do it. It happens. This is when you call AAA and they just send someone totally unprepared to change your tire. Kay Kotzian.
I felt like this was when you come downstairs and your kid has gotten up before you and they're going through the cabinets like looking for cookies.
They're like eating cookies for breakfast. Wait, me? The little look. Aw, Ken Crossan got this smiley little yawning seal. That's really cute.
Yeah, I actually feel like everything we anthropomorphize
We're gonna learn
here
how to say that word one day.
is exactly right. Like he's
Yeah.
like stretching and tired, but peaceful and enjoying the sun. Yeah, nice.
Christina
This is
Schief.
greedy.
This is me at a restaurant and you like, the chips and salsa are for everyone. Shells?
No, that's me who ordered fries and you said you didn't want any and then you take all of my fries. And I'm like, what? You said you didn't want any.
That's really accurate. That is shockingly accurate. Fries are a community food. I stand by it. Kuna took
are
this
so
picture. They're so
beautiful.
cute. They look so happy, and look, the little baby picked some flowers for the mom. That's what I'm at.
Mm-hmm.
Really
Yeah,
sweet.
elephants are my favorite.
Oh. What do you see when you look at this picture?
Well, she is suspicious of him. First of all,
Yeah.
he is convincing her to join multi-level marketing. She's not so sure that it's actually going to make her a millionaire. What do you see?
He's like, this face cream can make you look 10 years younger. I think he's like, you want to see my vacation house in Cabo? And she's like, I want you to use a Tic Tac. That's what it looks like to me. Luis
Okay, that's
Murphy.
cute.
That's really cute. It's almost like you were doing a portrait shoot with this little guy. Also, why is his dental hygiene better than mine? Look at how nice his teeth are.
Mm-hmm.
What's up with that? Really good, little guy. Look at his little tuft of hair on top. That's so cute. Manoj Shah. This little baby hippo looks like he's whispering in the mom's ear.
I thought it looked like he was about to bite his mom's ear. He's
No.
gonna get whacked.
Oh, I thought he was whispering like, Mom, I peed in the poo. Like, or like she's trying to take a nap and he's like, Mommy, I want a snack.
Okay, yeah, you got it.
Oh, man. Marcus Westberg.
Yeah, we've all had days like this.
Mm.
Like every day is like this now.
That's just cute. Whoa.
Whoa, is he flipping me off?
Yeah, I think that's how he feels about like someone left plastic in the ocean. He's like not happy about it, you know?
Oh, you're not gonna give up straws.
Yeah, this is when someone says giving up straws is stupid. This is his response. Martin Grace. I love this photo of this little, he has like a little cane.
Yeah.
This is like me whenever I do yard work. You know how after you just take the rake and just look at it, your back hurts. You're like, looks good. Rake the yard.
Yeah, he definitely seems like a grouchy old man.
Next, Teo got this picture of these otters. I imagine it's a mom otter, and she's like, I love you so much. And the little baby's like, Mom, let me go. It's so cute.
Don't take a picture of me. It's just my first day of school. You're embarrassing me in front of the bus.
Megan Lorenz took this photo, and Megan.
What exactly is happening there?
Actually, it looks like, is the baby breastfeeding?
That's
I don't
not
know.
what it looks like.
We don't need to analyze what's happening, but the lighting and everything is really beautiful.
You're just going to go talk about the lighting, huh? Nailed the focus on that?
Focus is great. Nailed the lighting.
Okay.
Mike LaSalle got this picture of, was this a falcon? It looks like he's trying to recruit other falcons to flight school. He's like, you could do it. He's cool, right?
Yeah, 1 foot, show off.
He's cool.
Whoa.
Nadir Al-Shamari. This is just beautiful. Look at the tones. I mean, it's not even funny. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah, is that one of those like burrowing owls? I don't know.
I
I've never
don't
seen one before.
No, but I love how owls just have such awkwardly long legs. And you wouldn't guess. They like keep them all tucked in until they go to swoop. You know?
I love how they're so wise.
Yes. Alan Rogers got,
Oh, no.
look at these little cubs.
This is going to be a fight.
Look how clumsy he looks up there. Like, he's not supposed to be up there.
Yeah, he's going to attack and probably miss.
Warning, please look under your vehicle for penguins. And then the penguin's like, ready.
I always do that, and I have yet to find one.
You just are hoping.
Yeah.
Like, it's like your goal.
Yeah.
Well, we could go to Table Mountain National Park.
I would love to go to Table Mountain National Park.
It's South African. Tony,
Okay.
we should go.
Probably not allowed.
Peter Sochman got this picture. I imagine she's like, where were you last night? And he's like, please, woman.
I love how animals are always sick of each other's shit, too. It's not just people. That's not
No.
a human trait.
No, it's not a human thing. It's just,
No matter what your species, you're sick of the people around you.
yeah, it's just existing. These birds are going through it. They've been through it. I need this kind of confidence, little monkey.
Mm-hmm.
Ramesh Lechmanan.
This is how I wake up every day.
I love this.
Oh my God, that is so adorable.
Kranitz Roland. It
Is
looks
this the
like
one you
he's
picked
like-
as the winner?
This one is one of my favorites, but this is not the one that I picked as the winner.
Oh my God.
Look how he's like even, it looks like he's singing a little ballad.
I know. I just see dollar signs when I see this. Kranitz is going to sell 1 million of these prints. That is so gorgeous.
Why do you have to monetize beauty?
Because
Look
I actually tried to make a living as a wildlife photographer for a while.
And now this
It's
is you're
really
like,
hard, yeah.
all right, you did it. This one, Sally Lloyd Jones got this photo, and she said that she was hoping that the kingfisher would land on the sign, and then it landed with a fish. So Sally, that I know you know how lucky that is, and if there was anything to ever depict like the personality of a kingfisher, it would just be this, just breaking the rules, doing what it wants, rubbing it in your face.
Yeah, they're total anarchists.
They're just like never there when I need them. You know, I've been trying to get a good picture of one for a while, and they're just little rascals.
I'm going to put up a sign that says, no constructing a $2,500 square foot beach house on this premises.
Where?
Where?
Okay, Sue Hollis got this picture of this little floaty guy. That seems like a peaceful nap. Like you can't hear anything. He's got his little flippers crossed.
Yeah, I love the reflection of the sky.
That's a pretty one.
Oh,
This little guy,
he's still learning.
he tried to like chase after his mom and he face planted. Have you ever seen that video where the little elephant's chasing the birds and then he falls on his face and then runs to his mom?
Yeah,
And
they're
she's
super
like,
cute.
they're so cute. Tim Hearn said
Okay,
that
that's hilarious.
he
That's
wanted-
funnier than the bear.
I think it's so cute. He wanted to get this damselfly in profile and get the wings and everything, and this little guy got shy and like tried to hide, but look at his little eyes.
I've seen them do that where they literally just keep rotating.
They're camera shy.
Assholes. Yeah.
That's really cute. Vicky Joran got this photo. I think they're pelicans. I get a very like scary movie for pelicans vibe. Like she's just trying to mind her business and this creep is gonna get her.
Yeah, I mean, Netflix is running out of content now, so maybe they'll start airing scary movies for pelicans.
For pelicans.
Yeah.
This is just I'm pitching to Netflix right now.
Oh.
Why Ping Pang got this photo. And this is hot, but I imagine it's cold. You know when like little kids are always in the pool and you're like, is it cold? And they're always like, no, it's warm, come in. Why do they always, like, that's this.
Yeah, this is definitely when I get in the shower at a hotel and just turn it on.
And like full blast.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
really cute.
I
Look at
know
his
how to
little
work it out.
teeth. He
That's
looks so wise. Oh, it's just cute. I mean, it's funny in like a, you're so cute, you're funny kind of way. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, though Mom there has seen a lot of this.
She's like, oh my
It's
God.
not new to her.
It's every day.
Yeah, this is constant.
He never stops. And then this is like the most terrifying bike gang I've ever seen.
Wow.
Look at their haircuts. That's what you got to do. That's initiation to get into the gang. You got to chop the bangs.
That is so crazy. I would love to live in one of these places where primates are just pests.
Not me. They
I think
scare
it'd be
me.
so cute.
They have little hands. They can do things. You don't want that. This,
All we have are squirrels. This is so much cooler than squirrels.
you
I
want
don't mean to keep shit talking squirrels. I'm just saying.
you want
I
some
wanna
kind
upgrade.
of wild little primate to steal your bike. This
Yeah.
photo was taken by Yevshen Somuchenko.
You're so brave pronouncing these names.
And this is my favorite picture that I think should be the winner. Speaking of primates.
He's swinging from their tails?
Yes. What a little rascal.
Oh my God.
I feel like this like third little monkey guy is like, so how's being a parent going? And they're like, look down, this is all day. He's like using them as a swing. He's singing his little rally cry. He's like, I wanna rock and roll. Right?
I feel like this is every group project in school. Like you've got 3 people earnestly working hard and then one a-hole just swinging from everybody else's tails and screaming.
look,
They all get the same grade.
look at the mom's face. She's just like, please help me. Yeah, these are all so great. They have this competition every year, and you can go to their website and you can do a People's Choice vote as well. So I'll put that down in the description below. This video is a little different from what we usually do, but if you want to learn about actually taking wildlife pictures, you can do that on our channel. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll see when our videos come out. They can be very educational.
Can I add that Chelsea made me lower my chair so I wasn't substantially taller than her? This feels unfair.
Why'd you have to call me out like that?